Hi, it's Blake Nelson, Keller Williams. Times are changing, so are we. Still, most importantly, it's March, the grass is green, the birds are chirping, and we're selling houses. Because of COVID-19, lots of things have changed, and we're changing as well. So starting today, with every listing I take, we will be doing a virtual home tour. Not a fancy tour with amazing pictures, but a live, interactive, how do you walk through the home? I've got a great looking camera guy, he's better looking than I am, but that's all right, we have to put me on the screen. Most importantly, we're changing so that you can stay safe, stay home, and still buy real estate while my sellers get maximum exposure. So we're gonna see this often, and here we go. I've got behind me an incredible 3-bedroom, 2-bath, super maintained ranch. I'm out in Lee Summit. It's got a 2-car side entry garage. It's ready for a couple little personalizations, but it's a moneymaker and it's a great property that will sell fast. I'm gonna let him take you through it. Here we are, a little rain, a little drizzle, and we're gonna make it happen. You just watch out. That video is gonna go all kinds of places and we're gonna get top dollar. Guess what I have ready? It'll be on soon. Thanks so much.